Energy is very weak. How weak it is? Over 100 million times than electromagnetic force. We have 4 different forces. Einstein wanted to combine, integrate the 4 forces, but he failed. But today we found another force. I call it fifth force. Okay, change it now. This fifth force is, I just mentioned, qi, right qi or chakra, something like that. But because it's very weak in our body, so those big physics researchers do not find it before. My mission is, I found this energy can help us to maintain our health and also to regenerate the disease or traumatic tissue. So I try to create or research how to make the energy bigger in our body. Okay, so I found resonance is the clue. Resonance. So what is resonance?
Yes, resonance.
Resonance, R-U-S-O-N.
Sure.
A-C. And resonance means 2 similar frequencies can transmit energy perfectly. So you can run this music form. And the frequency, if another similar musical form can be enhanced vibration and boom, one musical form, boom, is vibration. Because vibration, they have frequency, and then we heard it. And another form, even though you don't need to contact, because the frequency is the same or near the same, and it sound. Yeah, because pick up the energy because their frequency is the same.
So it just
this is resonance.
Yeah, the resonance basically is like a tool. It's like a wire that transmits the frequency, and no matter where you're at, it will pick it up. But also the frequency changes.
Yes. So during the twins, mothers have a baby together from the same ovum and sperm, but it divided into 2 individual baby, and they, even though they put apart from 2 different countries, and they have somehow, contact.
So it's like quantum physics, basically, because quantum physics says if there's a molecule here or an atom is here, it could be anywhere in the universe.
So someone said this kind of
it's the same.
This kind of medical technology is quantum.
Yes.
That's why they said.
Yes.
Okay, so this is not it's beyond the Einstein era to explain because it's quantum era and quantum medicine. And I call it fifth force, the 5 beyond electromagnetic force, gravitational force, and the nuclear weak and nuclear strong force. It's the fifth force. It's very weak, but it's a kind of quantum physics or new kind of medical treatment. Even though we don't know very clear about it, but the ancient Chinese, ancient Indian medical practitioners have already used it. Okay, so I just try to use the concepts and develop technology to let practitioner easy to practice it. So I combine different technology, even now AI and IoT. It's not IoT, and also I can create. You can create. This platform can let Dr. Fang to program a protocol to your patient. Combine different energy to replace acupuncture. Combine different color to replace chakra. It's just easy to wear it on your front head, and it will work. Okay, how
So this device, what you're talking about, that you wear on your whole, you're using a specific protocol to transmit the information back and forth. So you're using that protocol for that.
I also do some experiment.
Okay.
Okay, because I have created some parameter to help people meditation, and also I did experiment remote control. I wearing it, and someone who have the remote power. He's in Shanghai, and we try to select the specific parameter, and he can contact me even he's in Shanghai.
Sure.
It's amazing.
No, it is, absolutely, no doubt.
Okay, you do it again. Okay.
I do.
Yes. So I combine. Okay, we did again meridian channel, chakra, and consciousness to develop a new technology. So it's now okay. 2 years ago, I have a publication in New York. The title you can read my book. I have introduced the paper. I have 39 and probably more academic publication, research paper on this technology. And the one in New York publication is I introduce a remote technology of alternative medicine. You know, in COVID-19, there's the patient could not contact people, so they have no work. So I try to introduce this technology. You can use different of my devices and also patch. It's a new patch. It's for you. It's for you. And I try to let you know that when you stick on the point, quite painful. It means that you have one of the meridian blocked in your body. So I try to catch you first, okay? I'll do it. Do you have cough or any symptom?
No. I have aneurysm.
Oh yeah, aneurysm.
Yes.
Of aneurysm, sometimes no symptom.
Yeah.
Okay. Which kind of aneurysm? Not dissecting, right?
What's that?
Dissecting aneurysm is the
no, there's a lot.
Okay, only
Yes, just a little expanded like
aneurysm. Okay.
It's from blood pressure, high blood pressure.
Okay. So
but other symptoms, I really don't have.
But if the symptom become prominent, you may have block on the pericardium channel. Okay, I try to filter it up. It's the pericardium channel. Should be on. I try to let you know what it means. Okay, in my book, even though it's an English version, I have a color page to introduce
the points.
Yeah, the point, yeah.
Sure.
It's 12 is the pericardium.
Okay.
So I don't think you have severe ischemia on this channel. Okay. So I try to find check lung because many traveler have this. Pain?
No.
How about heart? How about this? Pain?
No, not really.
Oh, you started helping.
But we went to get a massage a few days ago.
Massage?
The feet massage.
Oh, feet massage.
Yes.
So what?
So they hit on the bottom of my foot.
Okay.
And it
it's a reflexology.
It hurts.
Okay.
And they said it's a heart problem. I have a heart problem because they said the connection and digestive.
But today you are good shape.
I'm fine. You know what? I don't feel any symptoms.
Okay, I try to check. Okay, I try to check from 12 different meridian channels. Okay, the first is liver. No, the second is kidney. No, the fourth, three is spleen. Okay, are you reading? No. And lung again. Lung, the fourth one. No. Oh, okay, good. And then stomach. No. Okay.
Not real pain. I mean, because
A little bit.
because
Okay.
you're pressing,
Okay.
it's normal.
Okay, okay.
I don't feel
And this
guilty.
operator.
No.
And the 7 is the evaporator.
This one little
bit. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have back pain?
Back pain. I have a surgery. I fractured my hip
Oh my. Okay.
10 years ago. This hip I fractured. So I have 3 screws.
So okay, I show you
Yeah.
the 7th one. You don't need to mind about the name. It's called unibrother, but actually the pathway is from the lateral part of your foot to go up. I try to test this point because it's most sensitive. Okay, and I found you have little pain. Okay, I go through.
So basically, right here, I have 3 screws this long
Okay.
from the surgery. But otherwise, I don't. The back pain I feel a little bit because we've been traveling for a month. So a lot of sitting right now in the car, not enough, a lot of walking, sitting, and different changes in the body because we were in China, now we're back in Taiwan. We sleep different in the bed, different pillows. So there is a little bit of pain, but nothing, and
You pay attention on this. Okay, I will explain you later.
Okay.
The 8th is the large intestine. Good. Okay. The line is 三角 tri-energy. So okay, good. And then the 10th is the small intestine in here. Okay, and then again heart, pericardium. No. Oh, so you're in good condition. So only going further. Okay, I try to check again. Pain here?
No,
Here?
no,
Okay. Big, another side. Pain here?
no,
Pain here?
no,
No.
no,
Okay. Very good. So just relax. Again here?
no, no, nothing.
Oh, nothing. Okay. Stomach.
No,
Over here. Over here.
no,
Over again. Yes.
no,
Ready? No.
No.
Oh. Very good.
no.
Very good. Nothing I can say. But do you sleep well?
I sleep very well.
You sleep well?
Yeah, the only problem I have a prostate.
No problem. Yeah.
Prostate.
Okay, prostate can explain urine bladder.
Yes. So
Actually, urine bladder is prostate. Okay. You just mentioned about. Okay. You can check my 39 different patients. I just mentioned about AI business.
yes.
And I have 39 different applications. I show you the abstract. Okay, about prostate gland. I do have research on this. And I also have another paper. It's also publication in the Acupuncture Research. It's in New York.
Okay.
It's SCI paper.
Yes.
And in this one, not this one. Sorry. I collect some old male people, not very old, but they have benign prostate hypertrophy. So they have dysuria at night. I using urinary bladder concept to using this non-invasive method and help them to relax the prostate gland. This one, okay. Remember 45.
Okay, 45.
Evaluation of
urinary bladder point.
Yeah, very broad.
That's the only, like I wake up at night maybe twice.
So the first exam, you have a little bit, it's giving trigger point on the urinary bladder point. So it may, because you have BPH, we call benign prostate hypertrophy.
Yes.
Okay. So if it's very painful, I will use this to you. But now it's good. You want me to do something on the point?
For the urinary?
Yeah.
You think it
Yeah, I let you know how to if you have symptoms.
So this is number 45.
45.
45. Okay, I'll remember 45. Yeah.
I let you know.
Again, the only problem.
You can put it here.
Oh, okay.
But you have to put the toilet to put it.
Okay.
So, but the easy way is just here. Yeah. Okay. If you're sensitive enough, you can use your iPhone using the lights to, to irritate you. Yeah. Do you have iPhone?
Yes.
Yeah. Just touch, the light source.
This?
Yes, just,
And go like this?
Yes.
Okay.
Sit down. Okay. And I tell you that I also have protocol to program. You can program, Dr. Fine can program using computer to control through this internet channel to remote control the protocol.
Okay. For the patient, right? So
For the patient.
Yeah, for the patient.
And then they can they found it's work to them, and they can buy or somehow how to they can get this at home.
Are you going to develop the app, and then the patient can do it, can program by themselves at home?
Yes, that's now I let you know. My AI development.
Yeah, see, that's the AI, which is
ChatGPT. Do we have Wi-Fi?
Yes.
It's
from your point, I show you how to put
how to find the point.
Because even the Chinese people do not actually know all the points. So I will.
So you have this video on YouTube?
Yes, just speak to the AI system.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And now it's in Chinese version. But
Yeah, sure.
in the future, I will do that.
And they will give you the link, and you just press the link.
And also, this platform is to support my app software. Okay. When you want to develop a protocol to help a patient with
remotely?
headache. Remotely. Yeah.
And with the headache.
Headache. And I try to balance his or her gallbladder channel. Gallbladder is the frequency is 6.
Sure.
And then you want him to have 30 minutes of the first program and red color. So it's the first protocol. And you want to let him have 3 hours of treatment, and you can create program a protocol for him. And it's also
According to, yes,
remote.
And also according to the severity of the headache or whatever it is, their symptoms.
Yes. So, okay, this AI system and this IoT system.
Sure.
Oh, okay.
And
AI, IoT.
AI and IoT. IoT is different thing.
Sure.
IoT is the Internet of Things.
Yes.
Using Wi-Fi to control.
Yeah.
And AI is, for example,
Well, it's an artificial intelligence because you're.
you know ChatGPT? No?
Yes, of course.
ChatGPT is a conversation.
Yes, of course.
And now I developed using this concept to create conversation machine.
Yeah.
And when you have different discomfort or 不舒服, I'm discomfort, and he will reply to where you discomfort.
Yes, sure.
Okay,
I
show
see.
here. He's in China. Okay.
Yeah. So you can tell right here. You
I
can
ask
say-
我不舒服, I feel discomfort, and it will reply you where you discomfort.
So if I say,
拉肚子, diarrhea. And it tell you if you want to improve your diarrhea, stomach pain or constipation, GI problem, you can have spleen meridian stimulation with free tempo, and to associate red nights
Red light.
And also screen 3 temple with yellow light. And stomach membrane channel 5 temple with red light. It's programmed.
Yes, yes. So basically, you can ask it whatever, and it'll tell you what you need to do. Yes,
yes. So this is AI, and this is IoT.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it.
So you program it.
Yeah, program.
And then you can program before
This is something you can provide it to your patient.
to patient, right?
Yeah.
But how about if I program on a computer, and then
Computer is you control.
It's mine.
And you can
By Wi-Fi.
authorize your another clinic in California, for example. You want to join your company to have this. Okay, so you can. I will give you the authorization and pass through.
Okay, I got you. Yeah. So I can program, the program is written in the machine and patient can take it back, right? Or how should I do?
I will do that. I will program, for example, 100 to 200 different code. And mostly each patient have they only need 3 or 4 or 5 code, and then use repeating on the code.
So,
and once they have a change, they go back to your clinic.
Okay. Or maybe because my patient can call me, they can get the device back, and then they can call me and tell me their problem, and I just program it, online. And then they can be memorized in the device because they are not next to me.
Next time when I develop from short distance IoT to become long distance Wi-Fi, you can speak with them with Telegram, or WhatsApp or Weixin.
So right now it's ready.
Yes. Face to face. This is my concept of remote.
Okay, later.
Distant, outpatient service.
So you can send the link. Okay.
Yes,
I understand it right now.
When you're wearing it.
Yes.
You today have you need operator and a channel stimulation, and also you have to qualify you, or sedate you.
So what you were asking, okay, right now you have a patient that uses the machine for whatever, right?
Yeah.
They're gone now. And they take the machine with them. Okay. Now they might have a problem, so they can call you, say, doctor, you know what, I'm having this problem. So you could send the link to their machine, right? To download an app or whatever it is.
Right now it's on display.
Is that what you're?
Yeah, it's my question.
That you wanted to. Okay.
Yeah, it's my question. But he is developing, because he's developing. Right now it's the short distance connection.
Yes.
But long Wi-Fi connection still.
But what I'm saying is, even though it's a short distance, because when I take the device with me, that device I can connect it to the computer, right?
Yes.
Okay. If you send me a link to the computer, can I download from the computer to this machine?
In the near future.
Yes. I'm not talking about connecting Wi-Fi.
Because now it's only the matter of software. Because in hardware we have 2 versions of hardware. One with the receiver of Wi-Fi and one without receiver and cheaper. And the old version they have no Wi-Fi. But now I have 2 versions. Wi-Fi with no Wi-Fi. And with the Wi-Fi, once I have developed the non-distant software to control, and it can do the thing.
So pretty much you can just send whatever you want to link, boom, and download, and it's a done deal.
And also
and it will update. It will update any software that needs to be updated. Also.
Yes.
Okay.
Good. AI is for the common disease. And but if the patient want to have professionally, they must go back to the clinic.
Sure.
Yeah. In Chinese, this is research or service to people using this technology, and the basic information of the patient, and also we collect the severity of the pain in different points.
Sure.
Just like I practice on you, and this to have the data on his or her emotion status.
So like 1 through 10, 5, the pain, it could be 5, it could be 10, it could be 9, that kind of thing.
Yeah. And we also have another technology, is using a small device, 麦诊仪, to collect the palpation data. Just put it here, and then the patient will we will collect different energy level of the nerve channel before the device using and after the device using.
Oh, so you use a small device on the finger, just like the one that reads your heart rate.
Yes. We have two different assessments. One is painful point assessment.
Sure.
Another is using machine device.
And then that's your doing before and after.
Yes. And then after the assessment, we try to program to her or him. In this case, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different nerve stimulation.
Yes.
So